Welcome, today in front of me OPPO A53s, and I'll show you how to take screenshot without buttons on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and scroll down to the convenience tools. Now just go here to the gestures and motions section, and here, as can you see, we got the gesture screenshot section. And now just by tap here once on the switcher, we can enable the option to take a screenshot with our 3 fingers by swapping down with our 3 fingers at the same time. And as can you see, I just take a screenshot by this way, and if you want you can share with the screen or just tap here on the screen and you can edit the screenshot. You can change the size, and now just here, for example, you can tap to done or to cancel the changes, and you can edit the screen. You can send this screenshot to someone if you want, and also you can go back. And now this taken screenshot you can find here in the Photos application. Now just go here to the albums, and as can you see, we got the screenshot folders on our Photos application. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.